Hey traders, been a while. I wanted to come back to you quickly for a video to update you. We are in some interesting positions here on Fiverr and NU Holdings, two of the companies that I've been following for the past year or so, or at least Fiverr for the past year or so. NU, I'll go to it after this. But essentially, Fiverr came out with earnings, were not impressive. But I want you to take a look here at how we were shaping up within this white algorithm. Very predictable chart that we've been looking at for the past year. And as we've seen this tapering happen from stronger selling red, we started to get picked up by a more tapered white at the bottom here. And as you can see right at the bottom there, that's where we started to build our way up towards this higher time frame white algorithm. We were then chopping within this white algorithm for a little while. And after these earnings, you could see we tipped right up to the top of white, tapping white, and then coming back down. And we're now sitting at a very strong level. This is a very proven strong level here at this 25, exactly 2570 number. We've had this yellow line in here for a long time. You can see that's where we gapped up to. We had this gap to fill over this entire time. So I always had orders waiting in here at this level, and I was excited for us to get here and have the opportunity to buy in at this lower price. Now, obviously, earnings did miss, but really wasn't that big of a miss. They also announced some projects into the AI space, so I actually really like what they're doing. I think this is a good opportunity to see this larger liquidity build here. If we just plug this white algorithm in, again, beautiful, right? So if you look at this as in a larger space here, if we want to just look at it on a weekly, we're beautifully building liquidity in this white algorithm. So I see this as a really good opportunity to get in. That's simply that. Now let's go to NU Holdings quickly for a second because similar thing. This is the initial trade that I took. Last video I made was down at this 1025 level. I labeled this as the area of interest, and you can see we made quick way up towards. Didn't get to exactly the take profit at this supply zone that I identified, but came right towards this white algorithm. You can see from our last position, this is exactly where we came to. We built a little liquidity there, and then again, earnings weren't as impressive, and we came back down and we headed towards that the bottom of that white, also at our strong supply zone that we've identified from a long time back. So also an opportunity to be getting in here again at a discounted place. Now, I don't want to say that this is the bottom. We did have a nice reaction here after earnings at this level, but I do want to say that in this $10 to $11 range could be a potential good area to start building a position into, considering it's a strong company. And even if their earnings also weren't a hit, they also weren't that big of a miss. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on those two companies. I'm going to come back also and do a quick update on the cryptos because we have an interesting thing going on there as well. Take care and happy trading.